How to clean your battery lawnmower ready for winter. The following video will guide you through the process of cleaning your Honda battery lawnmower ready for winter storage. You will need work gloves, a plastic brush and a clean cloth to complete this task. Ensure that the isolator key and the battery pack are removed from the mower to prevent it from starting whilst cleaning. Clean the cutting blade enclosure, taking care when cleaning around the blades. Avoid wetting the motor and the electrical components. Check the wheel bearings for trapped grass. Check to see if there is any movement in the blade and that it is secure. Clean the exterior of the machine with a cloth and store the machine somewhere dry and under cover. Rinse the grass bag with a hose to clean. Do not use a high-pressure cleaner. Leave it to dry completely before reattaching to your mower. Store your lawnmower in your shed or garage over the winter, ready to use next spring.